something. I no get nothing. Baby, me uta me tu. Te quiero mamá, wale mo love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the money here. I'm so happy because this is my hair, girls. Yeah, you're going to see everything in the video, so don't forget to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, comment and share. This hair is my hair, like it's like exactly of my hair. It's my hair. Then send me extra hair, send me this pack. I use more because I do other things with the hair, and only reminds me this hair. So I use almost one pack, so I split it into two and I separate each piece. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, comment and share. Even here, hey. Bye bye. Bye.
was waiting, you come back to me. Hey. I know nothing, but please